Gorgeous, gorgeous girls never hold back their best beauty hacks. Today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade hair removal sugar wax. I sell this on Etsy. I make my own labels and it's contained in this beautiful glass amber jar, and this is an 8-ounce product. I'm going to show you exactly how I make it so you can make it too. You're going to need a thermometer, a bowl, some measuring cups, a whisk, sugar, water, lemon juice, and your container. Of course, and a large pot. You're going to measure 1 cup of sugar, pour it into the bowl. You're going to pour another full cup of sugar back into the bowl. Half a cup of water and half a cup of lemon juice. Now make sure to mix it all together. While you're mixing, go ahead and turn on your stove to about, I put mine on 8, so whatever stove you have, kind of like a high heat but not extremely high. Now the sugar is not going to dissolve completely because there's more sugar than there is liquid, but this is the consistency you want right here. You're going to grab your mixture and you're going to pour it right in. Now you're just going to keep mixing for roughly 5 to 10 minutes depending on the heat of your stove. And this is where your thermometer is going to come in. You cannot stop mixing. You have to consistently stir it so you don't burn the sugar wax. Now obviously I'm using one of my hands to record, so I'm just going to grab my thermometer and test out the temperature until it reaches between 260 degrees and 270. That's the magic number right there, right in between. I did want to add that it depends on your hair type. I'm making a sugar wax that's best for most hair types, including medium and coarse hair. That's why I always cook the sugar wax up to 260 degrees and 270, right in between those numbers. I recommend a large pot because of this. It will bubble up if you're making an 8-ounce mixture. Okay, so my mixture reached the perfect temperature and I'm going to transport it to this bowl so I can easily pour it into my jar.